Hello, I'm Moses Ko and I'm here to teach you how to clean your dog. Alright, so simple steps of how to clean your dog is first you have to calm him down. We sit, we sit. Sit. Alright. Then get the shower thing. Turn on the knob. Alright, hold his ears up. Make sure to hold his ears up so the water won't go in his ears and then. Alright. Like that. And then turn on the water. Then wet his fur. Make sure to wet his fur all over from top to bottom, but don't wet his ears. Alright. So wet the bottom part, like fully come. Alright. Also wet the tail and the feet, so that our shampoo later will harden. Here and there. Alright. Now that he is all wet, it's time to get the shampoo. Get the shampoo and then put it all over the fur. Alright, cool. It's like shampooing your hair, it's really simple. Just make sure it goes all over the fur. Even the feet. It's like shampooing your entire body. Yeah. Sit, Kobe, sit. Shampoo. Sit. Alright. Alright, as soon as you shampoo his entire body, you have to rinse it. We have to rinse it off. Alright. Rinse it. Ready? Alright, so as soon as you rinse off the shampoo, make sure to grab the towel and then carefully and gently start drying him, alright? Now this process is a totally different process because it will take much longer than the showering period. But all you need to do is make sure you dry him, put him in front of a fan, and then in a couple of maybe 10 to 20 minutes, you'll be fine and good to go. Alright? So that's how you clean a dog. Thank you.